Hello my crypto people and welcome back to another episode of 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news and price updates in the world. And today we got a beautiful pump after the Biden executive order. So if you're wondering what happened, Bitcoin spiked 8% after an apparent release of Yellen's statement on Biden's crypto executive order. Apparently, Bitcoin and other cryptos spiked after the US Treasury apparently released details of the executive order from President Joe Biden that appeared to take a supportive stance towards crypto, which was not so expected, as you most likely have seen from some people like Robert Kiyosaki, who said bye-bye Bitcoin after this executive order was supposed to be changed after the entire Russia ordeal. But the rally began just after 6 p.m. Eastern Time Tuesday, after the Treasury published details and a statement online in response to an upcoming executive order from President Joe Biden on crypto, and the statement from Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen was unpublished shortly after. And so a lot of people are saying it was an accident to post this, and so they took it offline rather quickly, but the crypto markets saw it. Reuters and other news outlets reported earlier this week that a Biden order on crypto is imminent, and the now removed Treasury statement said the executive order calls for a comprehensive approach to digital asset policy and that government agencies would coordinate their work. Traders are still waiting for the final executive order, but the fleeting Treasury statement, which appeared supportive of crypto, was enough to boost the optimism. The leaked Treasury statement has been welcomed by the crypto market as it seems to focus on development of the industry rather than on imposing unrealistic regulations, said everybody. Cameron Winklevoss, co-founder of Gemini, called the executive order a constructive approach to thoughtful crypto regulation, and hence the crypto market is just pumping like freaking wildfire, or like a, I don't know, hydraulic water press or something like that. So looking at my phone, I just saw some breaking news. The US Treasury has announced plans to launch a Bitcoin and crypto educational campaign on the risks of investing in digital assets. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is actually a very good thing, because they're not saying don't invest, we're going to ban it. They're saying invest responsibly. Here are the risks. So if you want to do it, think about it properly, which is at the end of the day all we want from the SEC as well, to basically tell people, hey, be careful because this is a fast market, but explore. And right now, the Bitcoin price is facing some resistance, as you guys can all probably see right here as we speak, at about the $42.1 thousand mark. You can see the Fibonacci level holding up, and I've said before, if we're going to spike, we're most likely going to spike all the way towards $44.5 thousand. And right now, as it currently stands, with this huge reversal, which we've seen a couple of times, I'm not trusting it, but because it's been a little bit of a pattern of going towards 44.5 thousand before falling to 36.9 before pumping again, now falling, I'm expecting it to pump again towards this zone. So yes, guys, I am very bullish on Bitcoin right now. And as I've said before, Bitcoin right now is picking up a lot of its dominance again. A lot of altcoins are pumping, but not as significantly as Bitcoin is. And so medium term, I'm guessing short term, in just a couple of days actually, a lot of altcoins are most likely going to take this dominance back, unless, and this is actually something you should keep in the back of your head as well, this is all a little bit of a fake hype. Meaning the Janet Yellen thing was maybe even, it's not fake, but what if it was hacked in some way, shape, or form? I don't think so though. But let me just say it like this. There could be some very bad actors with a lot of money who are manipulating the price to pump right now because of this news, when in reality, it's not that good. Then again, I think this news was a big banger, mostly because we thought the US Treasury was going to be very negative about all of this. And so at the end of the day, I can't really be mad about anything. I have my long positions open that I described to you guys a little bit ago. One of them actually failed because we dumped a little bit more than expected, but our XRP position is still holding quite fine. And as I said, it's looking as if we're going to break out like crazy soon. Right now, that breakout could occur. It is looking as if the XRP price is just poised for a crazy breakout in the short term. And Bitcoin, it's already left all the zones. It's just pumping like freaking mad. One thing I tried to do yesterday is to describe to you guys the correlation between the S&P. You can see it clearly here. The S&P and the Bitcoin price are correlated very much so. They're literally just one-to-one in the way that they're moving. And so it's rather interesting to see Bitcoin pump like this, because we all know it is most likely not from following the stock market or anything like that. It is mostly just built around this order. And so the likelihood of pumping further from here is ridiculously high, purely because, well, if this came out purely because of a hint, people are surely buying the rumors, selling the news, but the underlying fundamentals of crypto regulation, then everything is basically bullish right now. So guys, I am extremely excited. If you're looking for a platform to trade on, check out the link down below for Bybit. Link is down below. There are some crazy bonuses right now. And for a couple of you guys that use the link, there's going to be a crazy giveaway. Make sure you check it out. I have a long position open right now. And a little bit later today, maybe on the STBC channel, I'm not sure, I'll show you guys exactly what trades I have open. The only problem is, it was a little bit early when I opened some of these, and so it's a little bit annoying to say, oh, you should have just opened it 3 hours ago. I want to be here before it happens rather than afterwards, so I'm going to try to time something a little bit later tonight if we actually do end up seeing what I want to see, but I'll get back to you guys on that. Make sure you subscribe for more updates.